featuring an international cat competition where judges will stage, present, and reward the most beautiful cats in the world. Hosted by Heclina and Loving Cats founder Stephen Messer. They will present an incredible lineup of speakers at Kitty Corner, and you can meet your favorite cats on the catwalk. Go to lcwwgroup.com for tickets. Boost your immunity. Everyone ages 12 and up can get the updated and most protective COVID-19 booster. Keep yourself and your family safer. Find a booster near you at vaccine. The California Department of Public Health.
Every search you make, every click you take, they'll be watching you.
Are you tired of companies like Google and Facebook watching you? There's actually a simple solution. Download the DuckDuckGo app today. DuckDuckGo. Privacy simplified.
Wow, a new electric vehicle and solar panels. We've gone green, thanks to Star One Credit Union. Star One? We financed our EV and solar through Star One. It was so easy, and we're saving all over the place. So you bought an EV and a solar system. And you painted your house neon green. Too bright? Not if I shade my eyes.
Ready to go green? Check out the great financing options at Star One. Go to star1.org today. Come get the star treatment at Star One.
It's game day. Grab your lucky shirt and start the grill. Your team needs you.
Excited about football, and whether you're at the stadium or at home, Beef and Dark Horse Wine have you covered. Go to yourgrillgame.com for money-saving offers on beef and Dark Horse Wine, and enter for a chance to win one of 4 grilling prize packs. Necessary to enter. See complete contest rules for details at yourgrillgame.com. Beef and wine, the perfect pair. Funded in part by the Beef Checkoff. Copyright 2022. Dark Horse Wines, Modesto, California. All rights reserved.
Hey everyone, it's Charlie Puth. Get ready for a whole new kind of concert.
iHeartRadio is bringing your favorite artists to perform inside your favorite game.
This Friday, iHeartRadio Live with Charlie Puth is coming to iHeartland State Farm Park in Fortnite.
iHeartland is where music and gaming collide.
Join you witnessing music history. Charlie Puth's first ever show in the metaverse.
I'm joining iHeart to perform songs from my new album, Charlie.
It all kicks off Friday at 7 p.m. Eastern, 4 Pacific.
Your link to join is at iHeartRadio.com/Fortnite.
It's time to throw on your virtual red polo and khakis because State Farm is now in the metaverse, and you're invited to State Farm Park, the hottest new venue, right in the middle of iHeart. Friends, and check it out today.
This is not sponsored, endorsed, or administered by Epic Games Incorporated.
Every weekday morning, make it a great day with Marcus and Corey.
So, what did you guys talk about this morning?
Every company has that one person you call to handle all.
I'm right there.
Here's the difference, though. He doesn't actually know how to do anything.
That's the beauty of it. I can't push any buttons.
If I moved half the day, they would still call me first. Corey is 5 steps from the radio station.
And what's happening on the socials?
Star artist Louis Capaldi bought a billboard to celebrate the release of his new single, and it's a picture of him you can't unsee.
Dad bod to the power.
In tidy whitey. Corey Instagram, give it a follow.
If you missed the show this morning, podcast anytime at 1013.com, and we hope you'll join us tomorrow.
It's Marcus and Corey on Star 3.
2000s, the 90s, and today and another chance tomorrow morning at 8:05 to win your way in to California, Great America. Maybe got Marcus and Corey on for your chance of winning. Good luck. Elton John and Dua Lipa. This is Cold Heart. We're Star 113.